Welcome back to my channel, people. Today I'm going to do a very quick sandwich for my children. And that's the ingredients: tortilla rods, chicken, tomato ketchup, and some mozzarella cheese. Okay, so let's get started on this. So drizzle some olive oil on my skewer. It's gonna be really quick, really simple, really tasty dish to make. If it's your first time to my channel, please remember to hit that subscribe. So step 1, wrap on the griddle. My flame is always too hot, so I'm just turning it down. Step 2, tomato ketchup or any tomato sauce that you have on the wraps. Step 3, spread the sauce around. Step 4, sprinkle with some trusted mozzarella cheese. Step 5, I can smell it burning. I'm just going to wrap it up like this. Way. There you go. Okay people, so here we have the mozzarella cheese melting nicely on the wrap, tortilla wrap. So now I'm just going to sprinkle on some chicken. And this is just chicken from leftover roast chicken, but you can boil the chicken, or if you have fried chicken, any type of chicken you have. You don't even have to use chicken, you can use any other ingredients of your choice. To make it even more special, you could put a bit of sweet corn or green pea or anything like that. But I'm just keeping it nice and simple for the kids because they're fussy eaters from time to time. Okay, like this. Just like that. Yes, people. Ooh, that's popping. Some of the tomato ketchup escaping. Just one sandwich done. One sandwich left to go. Just gonna drizzle a tiniest bit of olive oil just for a little extra crisp. crispiness. Okay, you see that? Nice. Finished product, people. Tell them what you think. I should tell you, tastes good, not just looking good. Check me. The real deal. I love it. Thank you for watching my video. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. Sean here from Exploration. I'll see you in the next one. We'll do something amazing. It's the cheese sandwich. Very easy to make. And you can top it with so many different things. But I'm just keeping it nice and simple and cheesy. Your kids will love it. Okay? Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Sean here from Exploration. Check me out on Instagram at Exploration. And at Twitter at Exploration. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.
Yes, come on, shawty, let's go. When I see you over there in the corner of the dance floor, and I know you're acting shy, looking at the corner of your eye.
There you go. Voila, finished job. Remember to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Check out my Instagram. I might put some more photos on the Instagram of this.
Take my hand, darling, take a chance. You be my queen, I'll be your king. Show you everything that you've been missing, shorty. Come on, dance a little dance. Got me in a trance in just one glance. So don't wait no more, I'm me, I'm more. I'm the one you're looking for, shorty. Oh, girl, I see you over there hesitating, deliberating. You keep me waiting on a sign, looking at the corner of your eye. So I pick my feet up off the floor, move my hips closer to yours, catch my breath and I say,